Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a Risco sausage stuffer, and unfortunately the unit does not have its vacuum pump in it. We're going to show you right here. The other functions are all operating. Operates rather slowly. There's a small step down here that has a micro switch connected to it, has to be out of the way. And we are getting the stuffer to work. It's missing some of the attachments, as you can see. We have a small just operates by impulse for the operator. Everything's powered up at 460 volt. However, we found the vacuum line. You see the blue line right there, and there's another connection for power that's been disconnected. Probably the vacuum pump sits right there. Everything's operating otherwise normally. Thank you for joining us for this video today. We hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.